Hi, my name is Douglas Melvin of Web Marketing. If you join Commissionable through my link, you will also get the following bonus products to further enhance your success online and help you to achieve a consistent and daily inflow of earnings. These will all be packaged up into a members area that you will have permanent access to. The important thing for you to understand here is we don't believe in lame BS products that claim to enable you to replicate crazy results with the click of a button. What we do believe in is honestly sharing stuff that simply works, things that we do that get us results. These 5 bonuses below are currently for sale on Warrior Plus, and you are getting them for free if you join Commissionable through my link. Bonus number 1, Breakthrough VIP Coaching Program, currently sells for $4.97. Bonus number 2, Commissionlicious, currently sells for $4.97. Bonus number 3, The Art of Pimping, currently sells for $297. Bonus number 4, Domain Pimp, currently sells for $297. Bonus number 5, Cash from Scratch, 21, VIP, currently sells for $297. You'll also get 20 more unannounced valuable bonuses worth thousands of dollars in your members' bonus area to your success. Douglas Melvin, Web Marketing.